Do you know you can make money online instantly, which is super easy? Let me show you. 1. TextBroker.com. If you have skills in writing, then you can earn up to $200. You just need to click on I write content, register your account and start writing and start earning. 2. VIPKID.com. You just need to read books and record your voice. On this website you can easily earn between $50 to $400 within 3 hours. You just need to click on microphone, click on find a book for your voice. Choose the book and start recording. VIPKIDs.com. You can teach by sitting at your home and start earning at your convenient time. Simply click on our teachers, then just click on Teach with Us. You can earn between $14 to $22 an hour. That is amazing. 4. NEXREP.com. If you are good in customer support or wanted to join the customer support team just sitting from your home, this is the best site. Just click on Agent and see the magic. You can easily earn $25 to $30 an hour. Do not forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos.